Welcome to Blisswood, your ultimate destination for top-tier home and office furniture. As a comprehensive one-stop provider, we take pride in offering an extensive range of sophisticated and stylish designs that are sure to elevate any space. With our own in-house manufacturing facility, we prioritize quality and craftsmanship to bring you the finest furniture options available. Discover a world of timeless elegance and unparalleled comfort at Blisswood. Blisswood offers a wide selection of exquisite home office furniture, ensuring an exceptional shopping experience. We provide multiple secure payment options, including credit or debit cards, PayPal, ShopPay, GPay, and Apple Pay. Our partnership with Klarna allows you to split payments into 3 easy interest-free installments, making furniture purchases more accessible. We prioritize the security of your payment and credit information, employing state-of-the-art encryption. Shop worry-free. At Blisswood, we prioritize efficient shipping and exceptional customer service. We have partnerships with reputable shipping services, ensuring prompt delivery. Orders placed before 7 a.m. are dispatched on the same day, with most orders delivered the next day. Large items may take 2-5 working days. Enjoy free shipping in most of the UK. Our dedicated customer service team is available 7 days a week to assist and answer your queries promptly. Your satisfaction is our top priority. When you shop with Blisswood, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Our products come with a 30-day guarantee, ensuring your confidence in your purchase. Additionally, we provide a 1-year manufacturing warranty, offering peace of mind and protection against any manufacturing defects. You can also explore our offerings on trusted platforms like Wayfair, Dream Home Store, OnBuy, Mano, and Amazon. Shop with confidence, knowing that Blisswood has you covered. Stay ahead of furniture trends and discover innovative, elegant offerings from Blisswood by following us on Instagram. Find us at blisswood.co.uk for exciting updates, exclusive offers, and unbeatable deals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Blisswood Limited, for lifestyle videos. Join our online community to elevate your living space. When you purchase Blisswood furniture, don't forget to tag us in your Instagram post to get guaranteed cashback. Share your Blisswood experience with us.